You might want to grab a notebook for this one because what I'm about to share could change the way you move, feel, and even age. If you are a woman over 50 and you've ever felt your energy dip, your balance wobble, or your strength slipping away, then listen closely because today, I'm going to reveal the one exercise you absolutely must do to stay strong, steady, and full of vitality. Now, before you roll your eyes thinking, not another boring exercise routine, let me assure you, this isn't just some random move I picked out of a book or saw online. This is backed by science, endorsed by fitness experts, and trusted by women just like you who refuse to let age define them. And here's the kicker. It doesn't take hours, it doesn't require expensive gym equipment, and you can do it safely in your own living room. So, what is this exercise? I'll give you a hint. It strengthens your core, tones your legs, improves your posture, and even helps protect your bones. It's simple and effective, and when done consistently, it can make everyday movements feel effortless again. You might be thinking, okay, sounds good, but why now? I mean, I've managed all these years without it. Well, here's the truth. As we age, our muscles naturally lose strength, our bones get a little more brittle, and our balance can falter. This combination makes the risk of falls, injuries, and aches much higher than it was in our 30s or 40s. But here's the beautiful part. The right exercises can literally reverse this decline, and the exercise I'm going to show you today hits every one of these areas. Before we dive into the mechanics of the exercise, let's talk about why it's so important for women over 50 specifically. Our bodies change in ways that are unique to us. Hormones shift, metabolism slows, and muscle mass naturally decreases. All these factors can make everyday tasks like climbing stairs, lifting groceries, or even standing up from a chair feel more challenging. Many women notice they're avoiding activities they once loved simply because their body doesn't feel as capable. But you know what? It doesn't have to be that way. The right exercise, done just a few times a week, can dramatically improve your strength, stability, and confidence. And that's what this move is designed to do. Now, imagine standing in your kitchen or living room, feeling stable, strong, and balanced. You bend down to tie your shoe, and there's no wobble. You walk down the street, and every step feels supported, your posture tall and proud. That's the kind of transformation I'm talking about. And it all starts with one simple move that targets the legs, glutes, and core, all the areas that naturally weaken with age. The exercise I'm talking about is called the chair squat. Don't let the name fool you. It may look simple, but it is incredibly effective. And here's why it works so well. It mimics the natural movements we use every day, sitting, standing, picking things up, while engaging multiple muscle groups at once. That means you're not just exercising, you're training your body to move better in real life. So let's break it down. You'll need a sturdy chair, one that doesn't roll or tip over. Stand in front of it with your feet hip-width apart. Keep your chest lifted, shoulders relaxed, and your core gently engaged. This is important. Engaging your core protects your lower back and ensures you're getting the most out of this exercise. Now, slowly bend your knees and lower your hips back as if you're about to sit down. The goal isn't to plop into the chair, but rather to lightly tap it with your glutes before standing back up. This small adjustment makes the exercise challenging but safe. As you rise back up, focus on pushing through your heels, keeping your chest lifted, and squeezing your glutes at the top. You'll immediately feel your thighs and glutes working and your core stabilizing your movement. That's the beauty of this exercise. It's functional, it's efficient, and it's scalable. Beginners can do it with just the chair, and as you get stronger, you can add a small dumbbell or resistance band to increase the intensity. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, I've tried squats before, and they hurt my knees, or, I'm just not flexible enough for this. Here's the reassuring part. Chair squats are joint-friendly. The chair acts as a guide, so you don't have to worry about going too low or losing your balance. You control the depth, the speed, and the intensity. And over time, you'll notice your knees feeling stronger, not weaker, because you're building the muscles that support them. Let's talk numbers for a moment. If you do this exercise 3 times a week, starting with 2 sets of 10 reps, you'll see noticeable improvements in just a few weeks. You'll feel steadier on your feet, your legs will feel firmer, and activities that once felt taxing will become easier. And the best part? You can do this anywhere. No gym membership required. No fancy equipment needed. Just you, a chair, and your determination. But here's something most people don't realize. The benefits of chair squats go far beyond muscles and strength. This simple exercise improves circulation, boosts metabolism, and even supports bone density, something especially important for women over 50. Weight-bearing exercises like squats encourage bones to maintain their strength, which helps prevent osteoporosis and reduces the risk of fractures. So while you're toning your legs and glutes, you're also giving your bones a little wake-up call to stay strong. I want to share a quick story with you. I had a viewer named Mary who was 57 and struggling with balance issues. She told me she was afraid to walk outside alone because she felt unsteady. We started with chair squats just 3 times a week. Within a month, she noticed she could climb stairs without holding onto the railing, her posture improved, and she even felt confident enough to take short walks around her neighborhood. That's the kind of real-life impact this exercise can have. Now, let's talk about common mistakes to avoid, because even a simple exercise can lose its effectiveness if done incorrectly. First, don't let your knees push forward past your toes. This can put unnecessary strain on your joints. Instead, think about sending your hips back, like you're gently sitting into the chair. Second, keep your chest lifted. Don't hunch over. A strong posture ensures your core is engaged and your back stays safe. Third, control your movement. Don't rush. A slow, steady squat is far more beneficial than a fast, sloppy one. Quality always beats quantity. You might be wondering about variations. Once you feel comfortable with the basic chair squat, you can add some modifications. Hold a pair of light dumbbells to increase resistance. Try single-leg chair squats to challenge your balance. Or even add a small pause at the bottom to really engage the muscles. The possibilities are endless, and the beauty is that you can scale it to your own level, no matter where you're starting from. Consistency is key. Like any exercise, the results won't happen overnight, but the progress is undeniable. And it's not just about looking stronger, it's about feeling stronger. About waking up each day with energy, confidence, and the peace of mind that comes from knowing your body is capable. And here's the bonus. This exercise also improves your mobility and flexibility over time, making everyday movements like bending, lifting, and reaching so much easier. Another thing to consider is mindset. Many women over 50 feel like they've missed the boat on fitness, that their best years of strength are behind them. I want to challenge that thought right now. Your body is capable of amazing things at any age. Muscles respond, balance improves, posture can correct itself, and strength can increase, if you give it the right tools and consistency. Chair squats are that tool. They're simple, effective, and tailored for women like you who want to stay independent, active, and confident. I also want to address those of you who might be intimidated by starting an exercise routine. You don't need to spend hours in the gym. You don't need to lift heavy weights or run marathons. 15 minutes a day, a few times a week, is more than enough to see meaningful changes. And the beauty of the chair squat is that it's functional. It improves movements you do every day, not just the ones you do in the gym. So let's put it all together. Stand tall in front of your chair, feet hip-width apart, core gently engaged and chest lifted. Slowly bend your knees and lower your hips until your glutes lightly touch the chair. Keep your weight in your heels. Push back up, squeezing your glutes at the top. Repeat for 10 reps, rest, and do another set. Start with 2 sets and gradually increase as you feel stronger. Do this 3 times a week, and I promise, your body will thank you. Remember, this exercise isn't just about aesthetics. It's about functionality, independence, and quality of life. It's about feeling capable when you wake up, moving confidently throughout your day, and knowing that your body can support you in every activity you love. Whether it's gardening, playing with your grandkids, or traveling, strength and stability matter, and chair squats provide both. I encourage you to start today. Don't wait for next Monday. Don't wait for motivation to strike. Stand up, find a chair, and take that first step toward a stronger, more confident you. Track your progress, notice the changes in your balance, posture, and energy, and celebrate every small victory along the way. And finally, remember this. Age is just a number. Your strength, vitality, and confidence are not defined by it. They're defined by the choices you make each day. Chair squats are one choice that can make a huge difference in your life. So make it yours. Start small, be consistent, and enjoy the journey of becoming the strongest, most capable version of yourself at any age. I want to hear from you. If you try this exercise, comment below and tell me how it feels, what changes you notice, and how your confidence grows. And if you want more exercises like this, simple, effective, and perfect for women over 50, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and join our community of strong, vibrant women who refuse to let age slow them down. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Remember, every movement matters, every effort counts, and your body is capable of incredible things. So grab that chair, start squatting, and step into a stronger, steadier, more confident version of yourself. You deserve it.